Hey guys, what's up? My name is Amin and I'm from Fap Auto. Today we're going to install this AFE power exhaust on this beautiful Dodge Durango SRT. 392 Hemi motor in this bad boy, and we're going to make it breathe. Alright, let's get started. By the way, this video was sponsored by our customer. Who's going to pay for all this? This paid programming is brought to you.
Yo, Amin, the food is ready!
Doing a video, John.
Gotta eat, bro.
I guess it's lunchtime, guys.
Lunchtime.
This video was brought to you by Garden Pizza. You can get all of this in a family pack for about $40 with this coupon.